Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to add a custom watermark in Photoshop in under 1 minute. It's simple, effective, and perfect for protecting your work. So let's dive right in. So first of all, create a new canvas based on the size of the image you want to watermark. Now simply open the file you want to watermark. For example, I will use my pattern design to show you. Once your image is on the canvas, select the text tool. Either press T on your keyboard or choose it from the toolbar. Now simply add your watermark. It could be your brand name or anything else you like. You can also choose the font and adjust the text size to match the watermark you need. After adding the text, you will notice two layers in the layer panel. Select the text layer and reduce its opacity so your watermark looks blended. Once that's done, position your watermark wherever you like, at the bottom, in the center, or anywhere else that fits. You have now successfully added a watermark to your work. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.